Hello friends, my name is Vijayalakshmi and in this video I am telling you how to draw a line using DDA algorithm in computer graphics. Okay, so you guys are already familiar with the line equation y is equals to mx plus b, okay, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Okay, so let's say this is the line where 1 is the initial point, 2 is the final point. Okay, so let's say 1 is x1 y1 and 2 is x2 y2. So from this we can get the value of y-intercept, that is equals to y1 minus mx1, or we can otherwise use b is equals to y2 minus mx2. I am using first one, that is b is equals to y1 minus mx1. Okay, so there are cases. First case is line slope is less than 1 and other cases line slope greater than 1. Okay, so we will compute these cases separately. First case, line slope less than 1. Okay, so we can see from the figure itself that in this case the major movement will be in x direction. If we increase x by certain value, let's say 1, so the corresponding increase in y will be lesser than 1. So this is what we do. What do we do in this case where the slope is less than 1 is we increase x by 1 and compute the corresponding increase in y, which is certainly less than 1. Okay, so y1 is mx1 plus b. Okay, and similarly y2 is mx2 plus b. Okay, now we increase x by 1, so we can see that x2 will be x1 plus 1. Okay, let's say this equation is equation number 3. Now what do is we substitute equation number 1 and equation number 3 in equation 2. Okay, so when we substitute that, what do we get is y2 is equals to m into x1 plus 1 plus y1 minus mx1. Now we open the brackets and we cancel mx1 and what do we get is y2 is equals to y1 plus m. This shows that for increase in x by 1, the y will increase by m, that is slope of the line. And we will do this till when? We will keep doing this thing until x becomes x2. This means we will start from x is equals to x1 and will keep on increasing x by 1 until x becomes x2. Okay, you will further understand it more in the program. Okay, now we come across the next case, which is slope greater than 1. Okay, now you can see from the figure itself that here the case is major movement in y. That is, y will increase by 1 and what do is we compute the corresponding increase in x. Okay, so here y2 is equals to mx2 plus b and we again substitute b is equals to y1 minus mx1 and y2 is equals to y1 plus 1. Why? Because we increase y by 1. Okay, so we substitute these values and we get that 1 is equals to m into x2 minus x1. Okay, so now we can conclude that x2 is equals to x1 plus 1 by m. This shows that in this case for increase in y by 1, the x increases by a value 1 by m. Okay, so can you guess till when we will run the loop in this case? We will start from y is equals to y1 and will keep running the loop until y becomes y2. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept, the algorithm of the DDA approach, and now I am going to show you the program